How to borrow money from Cash App. In this video, I'll show you how to borrow money from Cash App and what to do if the option doesn't show up for you. So stay with me till the end so you don't miss anything. First, go ahead and log into your Cash App account. Once you're in, look at the bottom menu bar and tap on the bank icon. That's the little building-looking symbol. This is where all the money-related features are located. Once you're on the banking page, look for an option called Borrow. If you see it, go ahead and tap on it. From there, it will show you if you're eligible, how much you can borrow, and give you the steps to proceed. Now, if you don't see the borrow option on the banking page, no worries. Just go back to the bottom of your screen and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, simply type borrow and it should pop up there. Tap on it and check if you're eligible. Now in my case, the option is currently unavailable, and here's why. Cash App has certain eligibility requirements you need to meet before they let you borrow money. This includes things like having regular direct deposits and maintaining active account usage. If you don't meet these conditions, the borrow option might not show up for you either. But don't stress. If you're already using Cash App for everyday transactions and have direct deposits coming in consistently, the option might become available to you soon. And that's it. That's how you check if you can borrow money from Cash App. Super simple. If this helped, make sure to check out my other videos for more Cash App tips and tricks.